Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain chapter 15 triangles. What is triangle? But before knowing about the triangle, you should know what is polygon. Polygon is any closed figure formed by a number of lines. So triangle is the first polygon because it is a closed figure composed of three lines. Okay. Because there are three lines in a triangle, so definitely there will be three angles because angle is formed by any two sides or any two arms of any closed figure. So there are three sides, three angles, that's why its name is triangle. Okay, this is triangle. Three sides A, B, C. So if someone asks you about name the sides of this triangle, so AB, BC, CA, these are what? Sides. And if we will talk about the angle, what are the three angles? Angle A, angle B and angle C. So there are three angles, angle B, angle C and angle A. So angle A, angle B, angle C are the angles. So how many sides are there? Three sides and three angles. So that's why it is known as triangle. So triangle is a polygon composed of three lines. Now definitely there are angles, but these angles A, B and C which I have marked here, these are interior angles. And in the triangle we can form exterior angle also. See. What is interior angle? And what denotes the exterior angle? Angle formed in the interior of the triangle by joining any two sides. किसी भी ट्रायंगल के अंदर जो एंगल बना होगा टू साइड्स को ज्वाइन करके दैट विल बी द इंटीरियर एंगल. एंड व्हाट विल बी द एक्सटीरियर एंगल? इफ we extend any one side of the triangle, then the angle formed by the extended side and the adjacent side will be the exterior angle. See, if we will extend this line C up to X, and if we will denote this as X angle and this is Y, so X will be the interior angle and Y will be the exterior angle. I am explaining it again. Interior angle is formed in the interior of the triangle by joining two sides of the triangle, and exterior angle is formed by extending any one side of a triangle, and it is formed between the extended side and the adjacent side. Okay, so here angle X will be the interior angle and angle Y will be the exterior angle. So here if you will extend this side and if you will denote it by S and T, so T will be the interior angle and S will be the exterior angle. So T will be the interior angle and S will be the exterior angle. Similarly, if you will extend this line, then and you are denoting that angles by U and V, so U will be the interior angle and V will be the exterior angle. So understood the concept of exterior angle, that when we extend any one side of a triangle, the angle formed by the extended side and adjacent side of the triangle will form the exterior angle, and interior angle will form between the two sides of the triangle in the interior of that diagram. So this is interior and exterior angle. Now I am going to explain about angle sum property and exterior angle theorem. Okay. I am going to explain angle sum property and exterior angle theorem. Listen, angle sum property is related to the interior angles of a triangle, and exterior angle theorem is related to the exterior angle of a triangle. And what is the statement of these two theorems or property? Angle sum property is the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is always equals to 180 degree. Means here which angles are interior? X, U and T. So it means angle X plus angle U plus angle T will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. In other words, angle A, angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Okay, angle A will denote the interior angle, angle B also, and angle C. So sum of all the interior angle of a triangle is always equals to 180 degree. And exterior angle theorem? Exterior angle theorem, according to this theorem, the exterior angle is always equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Means, for example, here if we are taking the exterior angle Y, so Y angle will always equal to sum of U and T. Means you will exclude the adjacent angle. Okay. And similarly angle S is the exterior angle, so it will be equal to sum of U and X. And V will equal to T plus X. This is the exterior angle theorem. And if any interior angle is given and if you want to calculate the value of exterior angle, then you can calculate by sum of adjacent angle. Sum of adjacent angle is what? Always equal to 180 degree. You all have read in chapter 12. So X plus Y equal to 180 degree. S plus T equal to 180 degree. And U plus V equal to 180 degree. Means exterior angle and the adjacent interior angle. The sum of exterior angle and adjacent interior angle is always equal to 180 degree. So if value of interior angle is given, you can calculate the adjacent exterior angle, or value of exterior angle is given, you can calculate the adjacent interior angle. Okay. This is what about the exterior angles and the angle sum property and exterior angle theorem. Okay. Now I am going to explain next topics of your book, altitude and median. Okay. If we are talking about altitude, altitude is always height. It is always the perpendicular line. Okay, and it is also known as normal. So name of the altitude is height, perpendicular or normal. So in any triangle there may be three altitudes, because from each vertex is the corner or the node where the two sides are joined. So from each vertex we can draw perpendicular to the opposite side of the triangle. See, if we will draw perpendicular AD, then AD is the altitude. If we will draw perpendicular BF, so BF is our altitude. And if we draw perpendicular CE on side AB, then CE is the altitude. So what are the altitudes here? AD, BF and CE. These are the altitudes. Why these are altitudes? Because these are perpendicular to the opposite side. AD perpendicular to BC, BF perpendicular to AC and CE perpendicular to AB. Okay. So these are the altitudes. Listen, these all altitudes are concurrent. Concurrent means they all are passing through the same point. So that point will be the orthocenter of the triangle. In the construction of the triangle, I have explained the orthocenter and incenter. Orthocenter, with the help of orthocenter, we can draw the circumcircle of a triangle. So O is the orthocenter and can be obtained by joining the three altitudes, or the point of intersection of the three altitudes will be the orthocenter of the triangle. Now we are talking about the median. In any triangle there are three medians also, and median comes from the word midpoint. Okay, from every vertex of the triangle we can draw a line like PU such that U is the midpoint of QR. It means median is a line which is drawn from the vertex of a triangle and bisect the opposite side. Bisect means the side will be divided into two equal parts. So median is a line which joins the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. So here PU is the median, QV is the median, and RW is the median, such that U, V, W are the midpoints of sides QR, PR and PQ respectively. Understood? These are not perpendicular. Medians are not perpendicular. They may be perpendicular depending upon the given condition. But what is the main meaning of the median? That it is the line which joins the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle. So these are the medians, such that U, V and W are the midpoints of sides QR, PR and PQ. Okay, and where these three medians intersect each other, that point of intersection is known as centroid. Actually, in the senior class you will read that centroid is the sum of the coordinates or abscissa divided by 3. So there will be the formula for centroid. Right now there is no need to understand that because there are no questions related to that. So just learn that centroid is the point of intersection of the three medians. Okay.